Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll see the answers for evaluation part from chapter 3 Electric Charge and Electric Current of class 10th Science Refreshment Course Model. First part, choose the best answer. First one, when an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the charge acquired by the fur is positive. Second one, which of the following should a simple circuit have? Battery, wire, and switch. Option D is the right answer. Third one, fuse is a protective device. Option D is the right answer. Fourth one, the process of depositing a layer of one metal over the surface of another metal by passing electric current is called electroplating. Option B is the right answer. Fifth one, in which circuit, this is not same of each components will be the voltage drawn from the source. Parallel circuit. Option B is the right answer. Sixth one, in an electrolyte, the current is due to the flow of negative and positive ions. That means electrons and positive ions. So option C is the right answer, both A and B. Seventh one, electroplating is an example for chemical effect. Option B is the right answer. Eighth one, resistance of a wire depends on temperature, geometry, nature of material. So all of the above. Option D is the right answer. Next, second part, fill in the blanks. The body which has lost electrons becomes positive ions, or simply you can write positive. Second one, a device that stores electricity from chemical cells is battery. A fuse has high resistivity and low melting point. Fourth one, dash as a thin metallic filament that melts and breaks the connection when the circuit is overheated. That is fuse wire. Fifth one, three bulbs are connected end to end from the battery. This connection is called series connection. Third part, true or false. In this series circuit, charges, that is electrons from the battery, have only one path to travel. Yes, this is true. In parallel circuit, current remains the same in all components. False. In series circuit or in parallel circuit, voltage or potential difference remains same. Third one, water can conduct electricity. Yes, true. Pure water do not conduct electricity, but ordinary water, due to the dissolve of ions and impurities, water can conduct electricity. Fourth one, a charged body induces an opposite charge on an uncharged body when they are brought near. Yes, true. Fifth one, in parallel connection, if one component breaks down, the whole circuit will function. Expect the breakdown. Fifth one, in parallel connection, if one component breaks down, the whole circuit will function. Expect given, but except should come. Except the breakdown. Yes, this is true. Fourth one, match the following. Circuit, this is path through which electric current flows. Chemical effect of electric current is electroplating. Heating effect of electric current, electric cookers. Unit of electric pressure should not come. Electric potential. Unit of electric potential is volt. battery, that is a device that stores electricity from chemical cells. Next, units: electric charge, its unit coulomb; potential difference, its unit volt; electric field, its unit newton per coulomb; resistance, its unit ohm; electric current, its unit ampere. Next, fifth part, answer the following. First one: rubbing a plastic comb on air makes the comb get minus 0.4 coulomb. Find which material has lost electron and which one gain it. So lost electron, which one lost electron na? Air has lost electron, and which one gain na? Comb gain electron. Comb gains electron. Next, sub question B: find how many electrons are transferred in this process. We know the formula Q is equal to NE. So to find the number of electrons, N is equal to Q by E. Here how many electrons? So how many electrons means here charge 0.4 coulomb, that is Q value 0.4, charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Then if you divide, we'll get 1 by 4, 0.4 by 1.6. ஸோ நம்ம வசதிக்காக ஒரு 10ஆல் பெருக்கணும்னா 4 by 16. ஸோ கேன்சல் பண்ணோம்னா 4 4 16, 1 by 4. இந்த 10 அடுக்கு மைனஸ் 19 மேலே போனால் 10 அடுக்கு ப்ளஸ் 19 ஆகிடும். இந்த 1 by 4 வந்து 0.25 into 10 power 19 electrons. Next, second one: name any two appliances which work under the principle of heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current, and chemical effect of electric current. For heating effect, electric heater, electric fuse. For magnetic effect, motor, electric bell. For chemical effect, changes in solution color, deposition of metal at electrode. So we can write other than these examples. Thank you, students.